How to send a mass email in ZOHO CRM. So of course, first go to your ZOHO CRM homepage. And then for example, we're going to send a mass email to our leads. So click on leads here, top left corner. And then look for actions, click on actions. Then you look for mass email, click on it. And then we're going to click on create mass email. Of course, you're going to choose who you're going to send it to. Since we're going to send it to all our leads, we'll just choose all leads. Then the template, you can select an email template that you made, and from here of course your email. And then options, the send options here, you can either send it immediately or schedule it for later. So you can see, you can type the date or choose the date, and of course what time to send it. So for this example, we'll just send it immediately. And then of course you can choose your follow-up action using the drop down box here. And then follow emails if you want, just add them if you want, then just click on send, top right corner. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.